Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In today's session, we are going to start with a new lesson, that is noun in place of pronoun. Until now, we have seen different pronouns like we, you, they, he, she and it. In this lesson, we are going to study how to remove these pronouns and put noun in their places. If you observe these pronouns very closely, you will understand one thing, that is, some pronouns are plural and some pronouns are singular. Pronouns we, you and they are plural pronouns, and pronouns he, she, it are singular pronouns. We can remove plural pronoun and put plural noun in their places. Similarly, we can remove singular pronouns and put singular nouns in their places. Here I have taken some examples in which use of pronouns is made. Like we work every day, here pronoun is we, you are playing very well, here pronoun is you, they come every day, here pronoun is they, he plays cricket, here pronoun is he. In the next sentence, she is drawing a picture, pronoun is she, it is crying for its mother, pronoun is it. All these pronouns can be removed and appropriate nouns can be put in their places. If pronoun is singular, then we have to take singular noun, and if pronoun is plural, we have to take plural noun. Okay friends, in order to help you understand this topic well, I have taken some examples. Let's go through the examples. We play cricket. In this example, word we is placed in the beginning, it is a pronoun and it is plural pronoun. Next one, you are writing a poem. In this example, word you is a pronoun and it is a plural pronoun. Next one, they cook food for us. They is a pronoun and they is a plural pronoun. We have taken three pronouns, we, you, they, and now we are going to remove them. And in the place of this pronoun, we are going to put nouns. All the pronouns that are used in these examples refer to more than one thing or refer to more than one person. Therefore, they are called plural pronouns. And as they are plural pronouns, whatever nouns we are going to put in their place, they are supposed to be plural nouns. Let's see. We play cricket. From this example, we have to remove we, and in the place of we have to put plural noun and we have placed it. That is the student. We play cricket. The sentence with noun will be like this. The students play cricket. Next example. You are writing a poem. In this example, the word you is to be removed because it is a pronoun and it is plural pronoun, and in the place of this pronoun we have to make use of plural noun, and we have done it. By removing this word you and by placing this word boys, the sentence becomes like this. Boys are writing a poem. Next example. They cook food for us. In this example also, word they is to be removed because it is a pronoun and it is a plural pronoun, and therefore in place of this plural pronoun we have to bring plural noun. So they is to be removed and in the place of they we have to put plural noun, that is the neighbors. They cook food for us. This sentence would be, after removing pronoun, the neighbors cook food for us. Okay friends, here we will talk about singular pronouns, their removal and their replacement by singular nouns. It's very simple. Let's start. He likes to play cricket. In this example, word he is a pronoun and that is singular one. Next one. She is coming today. In this example, word she is a pronoun and it is singular one. In the next example, it is jumping. It is a pronoun and it is singular. Why are all these pronouns singular? Because they refer to one thing or one person. Now what are we going to do? We are going to remove these pronouns he, she and it, and in the place of these pronouns we are going to put noun. These pronouns are singular. Therefore, the noun that we are going to put in their place is going to be singular. Let's see. He likes to play with us. In this example, word he is to be removed and in the place of that word, Rahul will come. So, the answer is Rahul likes to play with us. Next example. She is coming today. From this sentence, we are going to remove she and in the place of she, we have to put name of a girl. And here the sentence would be read like this. Sneha is coming today. Next one. It is jumping. From this sentence, word it is to be removed and in the place of that word, we have to put a singular noun, that is the cat is jumping. Okay friends, here is an exercise prepared by me to give you better understanding of the topic. Let's see what the exercise is. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. Before we start getting answers, let's understand the exercise better. In the blanks provided by them, we have to put either singular noun or plural noun. Where to put singular noun and where to put plural noun, we have to think first. And the words that are given after these blanks will help you to understand where to put singular noun and where to put plural noun. Let's see the first example. The Aadarsh are coming to play. Here word are is used after blank. And we know word are is to be used with plural noun. Therefore, in the first blank, I will put a plural noun, that is boys. Let's read the sentence. Boys are coming to play. Next example. The Aadarsh complete their homework. In this example, after the blank, they have provided word complete and it is in V1 form and without yes in the end. And we use V1 form of the verb with plural nouns. And in the blank, we have to put plural noun. So, I am going to put word students. Students complete their homework. Next example. The Aadarsh likes to eat mangoes. In this example, after the blank space, word likes is provided. And it is in V1 form with yes. And wherever V1 form is used with yes, we have to be sure that the noun that is going to come in the blank is singular. Therefore, I am going to take singular noun here in the blank. That is, Sanjay likes to eat mangoes. And finally, the Aadarsh is working in a library. In this example, after the blank space, they have provided a word is, and we know word is goes with singular noun. Therefore, in the blank space, I am going to put singular noun. Atul. Atul is working in a library. Okay friends, I am going to end the session here. I hope that you have liked the session. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.